Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my channel again. And today I'm gonna be doing a swipe bar bushings job here. Now this happens to be a Toyota T100, but it doesn't matter. This will apply for even if it's 2022 and any vehicle, any model year. It won't matter if it's 1990 or 2022. And I'm saying that because I will not replace the swipe bar bushings, but I will fix them. Look at these swipe bar bushings. Hopefully the camera can pick that up, but you can see through the other side. The camera can see through the other side right there. And the reason I'm saying that it will apply for any vehicle, any model, any year is because I will not be replacing the swipe bar bushings. Instead, I'm gonna be fixing them. Because this truck is so old, what happens is that the owner of the vehicle got new ones twice, I think, or three times. He says, I don't know if three times or twice, and he got the wrong ones. So I told him that I'm gonna be fixing them without buying new ones. Okay, 14mm bolt, one and two, one on each side. I'm gonna start removing them. 14mm wrench here to grab it from here. Look at this. Terrible. Okay, I'm gonna be fixing it with this piece of hose here. Usually I use this ones here, like this much, but this one is basically gone, so I'm gonna use something a little bit bigger. My suggestion is to use one that is designed for a radiator hose, a hose that is designed for a radiator. So I cut it from this one here, from this piece of hose, and I'm gonna cut it here and half, and I'm gonna measure it so it can fit very well here. If it's too big, then you cut a small piece and up until you adjust it here very well. Now this is all messed up, but I'm still gonna try to leave it like that so it can have a little bit of a protection here over the hoses. That's the only reason I'm gonna leave it, but see, it's almost nothing. Also these parts here, it helps to keep the bracket inside. I believe this brackets, at least that one on that side has like a thread, because the bolt goes inside without the, by threading it, it goes inside without the nut. Okay, that is how it looks right now. As you can see, it's very good. Now the truck is gonna drive a little bit better because the sway bar is not gonna have all the play that it had before. Still gotta do the other side, but it's the same. So that's how you fix the sway bar bushings without new ones. Now, if you have new ones, you can install new ones. What I do is when they have a lot of play, they are worn out, I reinforce them with a piece of hose, and actually that is better than new ones. Okay, update. This is the driver's side here. Now I used only one here, one piece of hose, because it was not that bad like the other one. It was really loose. I was playing a lot, but not as the other, not the same as the other side. The other side didn't have anything already. You see a little bit of open. That's because of the hose inside. Actually, this repair, I have done it for so many years, and it works much better than using new ones. Now in this case, on the other side, the owner of the vehicle will have new ones, then I will be better than new ones, because it didn't have anything. It was all ripped off, just small pieces. They were not available. So, and one more time, this applies for any vehicle, any model, any year. It doesn't matter. So you don't need to buy a pair of saber bushings if you don't want to. Actually, with a piece of hose, you reinforce them, and they stay and stabilize the vehicle even better than buying new ones. And if you think this video was helpful for you, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you all.